What's up, guys? So I just want to give you a quick tip video today. If you have a 2.5 liter TJ, how to take your serpentine belt off. So basically how to relieve the tensioner and kind of how that all works. This is not like a normal tensioner where you like break your bar in the end of it and then crank it and it loosens up. This is a completely different system. So if you look here, there's a tensioner pulley down here and it's just a 15 millimeter. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get it on there and then we're just gonna crack it loose. So just like that, you'll feel it kind of loosen up. You don't have to take it off very far. So now you can see it's loose on there. And then what we're gonna do, there's a little bolt right there. And we're just going to put the socket on there. And right now, we're turning it counterclockwise, so we're loosening it. So what's happening is this pulley, as we're turning it counterclockwise, is pushing it on this like pulley bridge, and it's pushing it down. And then once we rotate the other way, so we're just gonna keep loosening it up here. All right, so now we got it kind of loose. We can pull it off this idler here, give us some more slack, and then pull it off that pulley down there, and then you can pull it off everything here. And then same thing, just kind of slip them on over the pulleys, over the idlers, and we're good to go. All right, so now that we got it kind of back all together, we're just gonna go clockwise now. And just keep tightening it up. Okay, so now that I got it pretty tight here, I'm happy with that, and it's gonna get a hair tighter here once I crank this pulley down. So now last step is to there we go. Don't have to go too tight with it, but and then there's the belt tension. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a little bit different system than kind of what you're used to with a normal TJ, just having that little like self tensioner. This one's kind of more of a manual tension, more old school. But anyway, guys, hopefully this video helps you. If it did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.